have this piece of test equipment. Now, this may seem like it's just a fountain pen or just a writing pen, but it is not a writing pen. This is the original Don Bosco Electronics Incorporated Mosquito that I found in Pennsylvania when I was cleaning out that storage room. The storage room needed to be cleaned out, and there was also boxes, just random shit. Now, the guy that used to live there, he was definitely a serviceman. He repaired TVs and probably radios in probably the 50s, the early 50s, maybe late 40s, from what I've found. But in a box, also with this wristwatch. Yeah, I found this wristwatch and a West clock in that box, but anyway, was this pen. And I was going to throw it out thinking, oh, it's probably just an old, no good pen. And I look at this tip, I'm like, wait a minute. What kind of pen has a tip like that? That's a test lead tip. An old test lead tip. And I looked at it and it said Don Bosco Electronics. And I'm like, I have never heard of this. So I look it up. Lo and behold, this existed. This was a signal injector pen used for testing audio circuits and all kinds of stuff. Now we're going to be fixing this. Even though I have a working one, I think this would be a fun challenge to get this working. So when you put a battery in it, it literally does nothing. It's dead. It's also corroded. But the battery and the battery in it, there's no corrosion in it, so I don't know. Let's try this. I have no clue how to disassemble this thing, but we're gonna learn. If I can understand, let me move this case. Definitely an original case, seen better days. Was in a moisture-filled storage room. That's clean, so that's not a problem. A piece of spring metal that attaches to this, and that's how it moves up and down, making the contact. Now I should be able to just press it. Oh, there it is. It's come out. Look at that. Well, that's what we got. And that's what's left of the rubber gasket. Huh. Oh, it's wax. This is wax encased. Oh, this whole thing's in wax. This whole thing's encased in wax. Yep, and I see how that works. It goes in there and makes continuity right there. That's the contact point. So, interesting. I don't really have much to lose. I already have a working one. Oh, that just slipped out. Damn. Oh wow, look at that. It's kind of crude. I think this is wax. At the most, it might be silicone. look at that electrical tape. Oh. Oh, okay. That's a coil. Ooh, this. Yeah, that's, oh, shit. Oh, yeah, that's, what is this? Oh, dear, what's this go to? Oh! Alright, I see. Okay, so don't think I can save this, but I think it broke, actually. I think I might have a schematic for this thing. Nope, there is no schematic available for this thing. This camera overheats too much. Something's overheating it. I don't know what. But, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if this goes to, oh, that might have went to the transistor at one point. Maybe? Yeah, I think this transistor might have broke. But yeah, there's the transistor, there's the capacitor, there's the coil, and that's it. Now, what kind of transistor? I don't know. Oh god, it's getting tangled. I don't think this works anymore. I think this is no good. I believe it's actually broken. That's the problem. The lead broke somehow. It's old and fragile, but that's what remains of the old lead. Right there. I could try and solder it, but it's unraveling. I don't think it's worth it. Oh, that just broke off. Now this thing ain't worth keeping. Yeah, that was the second lead. And it did corrode. Yeah, corrosion got into that one. See that? Corrosion. Very nasty. Yeah, that's what's in one of these. I can probably draw a schematic of how this went. Maybe. That's what's in one of these, though. Can't save this. Well, maybe I could. Maybe. I don't even know where the wire broke. Try to fix this. I'll put these parts in. Well, that's all she wrote, I guess. That's all that's in it. Is this a piece of plastic? Damn, that's sturdy, whatever that is. I think it's plastic. Bakelite. Damn, that's some strong Bakelite. Alright, well. Let's trash all of that. Capacitor, I guess, connected to the metal body of this transistor, which had 3 leads. This is likely NPN. I don't think PNP existed in the 60s. But it broke. That's literally the problem with it. It all broke. It corroded off. Oh well. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first ever teardown of a Don Bosco signal injector pen. Until next time, please like, comment, subscribe, and please share this video if you think anybody would watch. Until next time.